Hello everybody, this is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a new video about how to make some easy cash flow coming from banks and how to use the Rule 72. So let's jump right into it. For new subscribers and new viewers, this channel is about business and money and education, so jump right into it. Let's go. So our first one I want to go over is Ally Bank. I've been using them for quite a long time now, and I've been loving that they've been paying every single month. This passive cash flow is kind of like a dividend stock that doesn't lose, and it's pretty easy to get started. Basically, you can open an account and get started relatively fast. You get to transfer money in. I use the Zelly or Zelle app on my phone, so I can transfer money from bank to bank and use them as my main savings account. Really good. There has no banking fees, so you don't have to worry about getting hit by that. But they're really nice. They're getting 1.9%, and it's an easy way to save and use that extra money to be put into investments. All right, let's go to our next one. So I've gone over this before, but this is Micro Ventures, and Micro Ventures has an interest rate at 1.7% currently. And what I like about that, you can, while your money's sitting and getting and building, you can use that extra money to be put into these companies and basically double up your money faster. So next thing I want to go to is some of the best savings accounts for September 2019. So I don't know about these other ones. I've not personally used them, but they are on bankrate.com, so they're probably really good. So please check them out if you can. I currently use Ally Bank and Micro Ventures for my savings accounts, and using them to pump my accounts to buy extra things. But check them out. Anything is better than 0% that you're probably getting, or 0.01% at your bank. Anything to get your money moving. All right. Next thing I want to go to is Rule 72. This is important because it will help you grow your income, grow as fast, build more wealth also. So for me, when it comes to stocks, I like dividend stocks. I like to get around 10%. So what that means is basically if you divide 10 into 72, it'll go in the 7.2 times. So it'll take you about 7.27 years to double up my account. So I have $1,000 at a 10% interest rate. Every 7.27 years, my money would double. So from 1,000 to 2,000 to 4,000 to 8,000, so on, so on. So when you're looking at like something like 1.9%, it may be low. It may take a very long time, but it's better than this right here, the 0.01%. 7,200 years. 7,200 years to the 1.9%. So there's a really big difference. It may be slow, but it will actually help out. Okay? So this is where you need to be. And this is where I started out as an employee, then I moved to the investor, and then did the business route. This can help you pump your accounts with this cash flow. So if you're here or here, get some cash flow so you can start being over here and here. Choice is yours. So if you go to my website at AndreJMcClendon.com, you should see right above the bottom right here. Also follow me on Instagram. And if you click on cash flow, there's a playlist about cash flow. Also, if you go to the my website and go to compound calculator, you can put in there your trading and your investments to compound to see how much you can go. Basically, my website is about to go live for some of the portions. The rest of it is live, so please check that out. And thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. And please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. Let's have this conversation about money. And thank you, everyone, all the subscribers I have now and the future ones coming. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you.